Hello, good noon. I'm Dr. Sindhu, one of reading doctor here today. May I confirm your good name, please? Nice to meet you, Mr. Salman. May I know what brings you here today? All right. Go on. I'm very sorry to hear about that, Mr. Salman, and I totally understand that how painful situation would be for you. Is there anything else you want to add? All right, Mr. Salman. In order to better understand your condition, I would like to ask you a few questions. Is that okay with you? Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Salman. So, can you please tell me more about your pain, how it started? Okay, and if it is constant or come and goes? Okay, any specific time? Have you noticed that when you take first step after getting out of the bed, it is worse? Okay, and if it is in one foot or in both? Okay, and if you had any injury recently? All right. Okay, and if there is any associated features like fever along with that? Okay, any joint, another joint pain? Okay, any rash? All right, Mr. Salman, how about your appetite? Okay, right, Mr. Salman. So, can you tell me that what do you do for a living? Okay, you're a policeman. Okay, so you have to stand for a long time. Okay, all right, Mr. Salman. I would like to ask you a few personal questions to better understand your condition. Is that okay with you? Thanks for your cooperation. And so, do you smoke? Take alcohol? How many units per day? 2. Okay. Have you ever thought to cut this habit? Okay. You need not to be worried. We talk in detail in next appointment. Is that okay with you? Okay, Mr. Salman. So, do you have high blood sugars? High blood pressures? And how about your sleep pattern? Okay, and how's everything at workplace? Are you married? Do you have kids? How's everything at home? Okay, and Mr. Salman, if you're taking any medicine prescribed by doctor over the counter, do you have any allergies? Okay, Mr. Salman, so in order to better understand, I would like to examine your food. Is that okay with you? Thanks for your cooperation. So I'll sanitize my hands and let them dry. Mr. Salman, I'll be pressing a sole of your foot, okay? If you feel any pain, let me know. I will stop the examination. Is that okay with you? Okay, then I'll check, I'll look, feel and move. I'll look if there is any skin discoloration, any scar, any deformity, any skin discoloration, any bulging, and then I'll palpate if there is any swelling, and then I'll check the temperature with the dorsal side of my hand, and then I'll press the sole of foot and ask patient he feels pain. I'll be pressing plantar fascia, and if a patient feels pain, that means wind loss test is positive. Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Salman. You can have your seat, and again I'll sanitize my hands. So, Mr. Salman, the problem you shared with me and examination I have performed, it is my considered opinion that most probably you're having a condition, what we call in a medical terminology is plantar fasciitis. Do you know what is it? Okay, all right, Mr. Salman. Actually, it is a common condition occurring in runners, in policemen, and in soldiers who have to stand for a prolonged period of time as a part of your duty. okay, and watchmen's, okay, but you need not to be worried. It is treatable, okay, and generally settle in less than 6 weeks. All right. And besides that, Mr. Salman, I will like to suggest you some lifestyle modification and some treatments. Is it convenient for you? All right, Mr. Salman. So I would like to suggest you to take rest, okay, and rest foot on a stool, okay, and put ice pack, okay, wrapped in a tea towel for 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours, okay. And besides this, I'll encourage you to wear shoes with cushion, okay, and heel and good arch support, all right, and use insoles or heel pads, okay. You can order online as well, okay. And besides this, I'll encourage you to try regular gentle exercises, okay. They do not put pressure on your feet like swimming, okay. And do not walk or stand for a long period. Do not wear high pointed shoes, okay, and do not wear flip flop, okay, or slippers. If it makes sense to you, Mr. Salman. Mm-hmm. Okay, Mr. Salman. So, besides it, I would like to prescribe tablet paracetamol. You can take 2 tablets in the morning, in the noon, and in evening. Okay, with water, but don't take more than 3 grams per day. All right. And besides that, if you notice any worsening of your condition, despite non-pharmacological lifestyle modification and treatment, okay, then you can contact me, okay. Maybe I will refer you to the orthopedic surgeon who can give a steroid injection at the painful side, okay. And besides that, we will decide that if we should refer you to the physiotherapist who can explain Achilles tendon stretching exercises, okay, and that will help relieve your pain as well, okay. How it sounds to you? Is it convenient for you if I arrange a referral to a physiotherapist right now? All right, Mr. Salman, you not to be worried. I'm going to arrange an appointment, okay, and you need not to be worried. You will not have to wait there, okay. I'm arranging follow-up, okay. And besides that, if you notice any worsening of your condition, any pain, any fever, any skin discoloration, okay, then get immediate medical help, okay. Here is a leaflet, includes all the information regarding your condition. I hope it will be helpful for you, okay. And do you have anything else to discuss with me today? All right, Mr. Salman, I wish you speedy recovery and healthy life. Take care. Bye-bye.